look that we want. But instead of using extensions, I'm going to use my natural hair to see if it will still, you know, look good. I borrowed my nails, these are just some of the stuff that I will be using. So my brush, my premium styling gel to hold my little edges, combs, scissors just in case I have a knot issue. Can't forget the toothbrush. Really beautiful. It looks good from the front, and for me that's all that matters. Comment below what you think I should try next, or if you would give this hairstyle a try.